OC, welcome back to another vlog. I am here with my two best friends and we're on our way to BSU, Black Student Union, and we're gonna go on a bowling trip with some of the members. I'm gonna bring you guys along with me, so let's go. Guys, my mom's the new BSU president. Yay!
Yay! Take a picture of me and my mom.
I can't, I'm recording.
Take a video of it.
Okay, that's it.
Ready?
Okay, yep. You want it this way?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is it recording?
Yep, go.
You're right there. Yeah? I'm probably gonna get better. It might be better.
Oh, pretty good. Hey.
That wasn't bad. Hey.
Yeah, you strong.
Is that good? I don't think we were supposed to go at the same time.
All right, Cassidy, are you feeling ready?
I am. I'm so ready to get a gutter ball.
No. Okay.
It's cool. You don't have to go. Oh, well. Hey. Did we actually put them over here? I don't know, this table.
Yum.
You want sticks?
Hey guys, so the bowling trip was amazing. I had so much fun. It was really awesome, and it was like one of the first times BSU did that. So that was a lot of fun, and I'm really excited for next year already. I got closer with a lot of the BSU members and met a lot of new people, and it was really fun to celebrate the elections and who won president and VP, and it was just a lot of fun, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next week.